Welcome friends, today we will do the practical of ping. Here I took two routers R1 and R2 and I took subnet 10.1.1.0 between them. So it's very basic practical. Here we can check how ping works. So we go to the R1 and go to the interface level and provide the IP address to this interface. Let's suppose it's 10.1.1.1. Now I go to R2 and assign the IP address here. Right, so when I check the basic connectivity to ping, what type of packet it will send, this is the question here. So what I'll do, I'll just capture that packet and I'll just trying to show you. Okay, so the result will come within few seconds, so that we can check that in under ping the echo and echo reply packet will send, and then the echo reply will receive from the neighbor C. Here 10.1.1.2 is sending a packet to 10.1.1.1, which is ICMP echo packet for ping request. Here you can check that internet is version 4, header length is this, and this is protocol ICMP, which is 1. Time to live value is 255, and the source IP is this, and the destination IP is this. This is the internet control message protocol ICMP echo packet. See, this is the echo packet and this is the data. Right, again you just go to the echo reply, which is received from R1 to R2. This is the echo reply packet, right? So by these packets, by the help of these packets, we can check the layer 3 connectivity between two devices. Okay, so this is the basic practical of ping. Thanks. Hello friends, in this practical I'm just gonna show you how to configure the IP address and the basic things on the router interface. Okay, this is the privilege mode of the router, where you can see the command show IP interface brief. Through this command you can check how much interface you have. Here you can see that you have one interface which is fast Ethernet 0/0, and right now this is unassigned, means you have not yet configured any IP address on this interface, and this particular interface is administratively down, which means right now this is shut down by the administrator. So for configuring the IP address on an interface, you have to go to global configuration mode. Under global configuration mode, you have to go into interface mode, interface fast Ethernet 0/0, and then you have to enable that interface. For that you have to type the command no shut. After typing that command, you have to provide the IP address. This is the command 10.1.12.1, let's suppose, and then the subnet mask for that particular IP address, right? After that you have to do exit 2 times, and then again when you type the command show IP interface brief, it shows us that now the IP address of this particular interface is 10.1.12.1 and the status is up. This means this is the physical status of the interface, and this is the layer 2 status of the interface. If you are facing some layer 2 issue, then this particular thing will be down, right? So same thing we can do on R2. We go to the configuration mode, go to the interface configuration mode, enable the interface, and then assign the IP address, which is 10.1.12.2 in my current scenario, right? If you type Control Z, then you will come out, and now if you put the command show IP interface brief here, you can see that you have an interface which IP address is 10.1.12.2. Now if I'm trying to ping 10.1.1.1, 10.1.12.1, so it is connected. This means that I have reachability between these two devices, right? Now if I want to assign, let's suppose I want to assign a description. So if you check the command show interface description here, you have not seen anything because right now I will not type anything here. So let's suppose this interface is provided by the ISP Verizon. So, and I want to provide this information on the interface. So the command is interface fast Ethernet 0/0 description, and the description is Verizon interface, let's suppose. right? So once you enter this description command, after that what you can do, once you type show interface description command, you can check that this particular interface has been provided by Verizon and the current physical and line protocol is up on this interface, right? So now this particular configuration which I have did yet, it's in my running configuration. So if I want to copy my configuration, the command is copy running configuration to startup configuration. By the help of this command, your configuration is saved, and if the power down and your router will restart, this particular configuration will not removed. So by the help of this command you can do that, right? So if you want to check your current configuration, what are the configuration here on this router, you need to type the command show run. So by the help of command show run, you can check that okay, these are the configuration, these are the interface configuration here, right? So now if I want to change the host name, let's suppose I want to change this router name as Verizon 1. So by the help of this command host name, you can change the name of the particular device. So once you have, let's suppose 5 to 8 devices, it will be easy for you to to check for which company this particular device is supporting. So this particular router is supporting Verizon company, right? So these are the basic things. The basic commands are show IP interface brief, show interface description, show running configuration, and then let's suppose show history. This command shows that what are the commands you have previously running, right, on this particular device. We are using this particular command, show IP interface brief, show interface description, right? So these are the basic commands by the help of which you can check the basic things on the device, and these are the pretty much important for you. So I think these are enough for today. Thanks.